Hello guys, welcome back to my TOC classes, that means the theory of computation. In this video we will be discussing one more important problem. Design a DFA for the string a plus b whole star bbb. Okay, so as usual, what are the minimal string you can generate it from this regular expression? Look at this. So what is that meaning of this a plus b whole star? It can comes any combination of a or b will be appears 0 times or more times followed by the minimum string that baaa. So that means it is a plus b whole star, it appears 0 times. What will be the minimum string? That is a. How do you write a transition diagram for this? I'll take a minimum string here. So that is for that I'll write it like this. On initial state, we'll go to B. First you have to draw B and A. We'll go to C. On A again we'll go to E. From E to D on A, then we'll make it as accepting. Right? Take one more valid string. Suppose it may start any number of A followed by B. A, any number of A's followed by B, A. In that case, but this will not accept at current transition diagram and current stage. So I have to make that as accepting. So there is which accept, it is beginning with any A's followed by B, A. So that will accept it. Okay. Now I'll take one more combination. There is one more combination. Suppose if I take B, A. This also valid string. Why? Because it can generate any number of B's beginning and followed by BAA. So already B transition will be there from A. Once you reach B combination, B on B to the capital B, what will be the next input? B. It can generate any number of B here. So that B and finally AA will reach the final state. This will accept it. Similarly, suppose one more combination. I'll take a similar input. I'll write it here. So I'll take B, A. This also valid string. Why? Because this ending with B 3A's is any combination of A and B's at the beginning because of this reason. A plus B whole star. So because B already we have a transition. Right? Then we'll take A. But when you reach to C, there is no B transition. Then would you write that? So here it is. On B transition comes B. Right? So come back to B. So this is accepted. Then A and D is accepted. We'll take one more combination. I'll take one more combination. So B, A, B, A. So this also valid string because this is ending with B 3A's. So how do you construct for this string? Look at this. B is already there. A is also there. One more A is also there. When you reach to E, so there is no transition on B. Then you have to give it to here on B. E to B. So then this is accepted. Next 3 A's will be 3 is consuming and reach to the final state. This also accepted. Then another combination B A B A. So this also valid. B A. Then this has to come. So when comes this here, give to B on D to B, still input buffer have some input, right? So then take that B, reach to B, then 3 A's are there. If 3 A's are there, already transition have given. Look at other combination as well. There is another combination. Suppose B A B A. So this is already we have constructed. Look at this for this. I will take some other color for indicating. B A 3 A is over. This much is over. What about this? So there is A, give it to A. B is there. B has taken A. This also accepted. Then is there any other combination? Before taking another string, look at each and every state have a transition on every input. I have taken some other input as this here. I will take, look at the A guys as a transition on A and B. B as capital B is as a transition on A and B. Then C is have a transition on A and B. E is also transition on A and B. Then D is also transition on A and B. So then you can take any combination which should be ended with B A. It will accept. I think you hope you understand this whole concept. My problem statement, according to problem statement, this will be very, very important. It may expect this kind of problems in your exam. I hope you understand this concept. Before winding up my video, I'll show you animated diagram. Look at this, how this will happen. Similar way of drawn. Okay, right? So this way you can construct any kind of DFA for any regular expression or a string you have given. So this make it easy for you people to have to practice again and again for different inputs for strings. Thank you once again.